Do you want to learn how to create consistent AI characters for your children's book stories, faceless YouTube channels, talking avatars, and animation videos using the GPTs available on Chat GPT 4? Then, watch this video to the end and don't miss the third and fourth steps for anything in the world. But before we dive in, if you are wondering what GPT means, see it as a cheat in getting your task done specifically and faster. To use Chat GPT, you will agree that you need to get your prompts right to get the best results. Well, that's not the case for GPTs. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer models, and they are tailored versions of Chat GPT, customized for a specific task. You won't even need to think much about the prompt to use, as they are already predefined with additional knowledge and skills by the creator of the particular GPT you are using. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge, let's get more practical. The first step is to visit OpenAI.com. However, to use GPTs, you need to have access to the Pro plan, which is Chat GPT 4. Then go to the left-hand side here and click Explore GPTs. You'll see different GPTs that are specifically for a certain task. As you can see here, a Map GPT, Question Maker, Makeup Maven, Library of Babel, Personal Color Analysis, among others. There are trending GPTs. We have Dall-e 3 GPTs, which we will be using to create consistent characters. They are the GPTs for writing, so it's helpful if you are a content writer, a social media manager, or you are building your personal brand. Also, keep in mind that anyone can create a GPT, so if you are good at prompt engineering, you will be helping thousands of people with the struggle of getting their prompts right. Explore other sections like productivity, research and analysis, education, and so on. Come back to the search box here and search Consistent Characters GPT. There are different options to choose from, but this particular GPT has over 200,000 conversations. So let's try it first. I'll also show you another GPT you can use to get amazing characters, so ensure you watch this video to the end and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the first one. Click Start Chat. Now click here to begin generating your character. The first instruction is to determine whether your character is male or female. I will be creating a female character. The name will be Jessie. And then this GPT is going to create a model character image for us. If you don't like it, you can simply regenerate. The second step is to start varying your character image. State what you want to vary in each image you want to generate. For example, the expression, action, pose, atmosphere, background, time of the day, and other variants based on your story or AI character generation you want. I'll go with these three. Now, what should be the first variation? Here's a simple trick. Simply open Chat GPT on another tab and ask it to create different expressions for a character named Jessie. Here are different variations for your character. Copy and paste the prompt and generate. Let's wait for the result. That's not the character head we are expecting. It's bigger here. Let's go with a simple prompt first. Happy, walking. This looks more like the model character. Let's see surprised, sits on a bench in a park. Amazing, right? You can't tell the difference. I want to make a children's storybook with this character. In my other Chat GPT tab, I'll ask it to create a short animation character book for children. Write the story with a major character named Jessie in every scene and 6 scenes altogether. Here is the story. Now I can create special actions and environments for Jessie in each scene. There is it. Let's generate our character. Copy the prompt here and paste it to my main tab. Here's the result. You can see that it's still very much like the model character. For scene 2, copy and paste. Wow, this is incredible, right? For scene 3, I'll paste the prompt, and you should also edit your prompt to ensure the expression, action, location, or background is accurately spelled out. Let's create for the next scene. In this image generation, there is someone visible at the back of our character, which I don't want. So I'll go back to the prompt, edit it, and add alone. Now that it's gone, let's continue with the next scene. This image does not look like the model image, as you can see, majorly the height. I'll edit the prompt, removing all this, and generate. The result is better compared to the first generation. While generating your characters and you don't like the image, you can regenerate, as you can see here. Download all the images. Now, Let's go over to the third step. We have seen how to create consistent images with this particular GPT, but it has its flaws. You don't get to describe your own character. Let's see a better way in which you can describe your character. Go back to Explore GPTs, search Consistent Characters GPT, and choose the second one here with 1,000 plus conversations. Click Start here and provide the details for your character, including the age, gender, appearance, and so on. In the other tab, ask Chat GPT to give details for your character. You can also make use of my prompt, just tweak it a little. Here is the image I generated. I'll use the same prompts I used for the first consistent GPT generations. I'll just copy and paste. Here is my character, happy and walking. Now, to create a more excellent character, you have to add additional details like the background in your prompt. Let's see the prompt of our character sitting in the park. Amazing, right? Still the same as our model image, but it's more suitable for her story. Now let's create for the different variations and see the incredible results. Now that we are done with our image generation, let's upscale to get a better quality character image. There are different tools you can use for free, but for this video, I'll make use of BigJPG. Search it on Google and also use it to upscale your images. Edit your settings, upscale all images, and download. Now to the fourth step. Let's start designing our book. Go to canva.com, on the home page, search Storybook, and open a blank page. Import all the generated character images to Canva. Then, create a storyline with Chat GPT. Here's mine. For this tutorial video, I'll make it short and concise. Edit the text and change the effects and fonts. Then duplicate the first page and begin to edit each page. It's so easy, just follow my process. I'll fast forward the process. Finally, our book is ready to be exported. Click Share, and to get a high-resolution file, follow these download settings. Change the file type to PDF print, as it's best for printing. Under the color profile, select CMYK and download. With the knowledge of creating high-quality, consistent characters, you can ace your YouTube content creation game by telling stories on your YouTube channel, creating consistent AI talking avatars, animation, and illustration, or selling children's books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP. There's no limit to what you can create with this amazing skill. Do you think it's something you'd love to try out? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have a question or contribution to this video, I'll be happy to hear you in the comment section. If you love this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mind-blowing updates on the power of AI and how to make money from it. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.